In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile phone numbers in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to purchase and connect a new number so you can start calling and texting directly from your GoHighLevel account. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct sub-account or location where you want this new number to live. From there, head over to your Launchpad. The Launchpad is essentially your starting dashboard inside that location, where you'll see an overview of tools and key settings for your account. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Settings, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you configure things like your company information, integrations, and in this case, phone numbers. Inside the Settings area, locate and click on Phone System. This section is dedicated to everything related to calling and texting, including managing existing numbers and adding new ones. If you've never set up a number before, this is where you'll start. On the phone system page, you'll see a tab or button that says Add Number. Click on Add Number to begin the process. In many accounts, you'll then see another button that also says Add Phone Number. Click that again to open up the number selection window. This is the tool GoHighLevel uses to search for and buy new phone numbers. Next, look for the drop-down labeled Select Country. Click on that drop-down to choose the country where you want your new number to be based. This is important because it determines the country code and the pool of numbers you can pick from, and it can affect call and text pricing. Once you've selected the country, GoHighLevel will show you a list of available numbers that match that region. Browse through the options and click on the specific number you want to purchase. Take a moment to choose a number that makes sense for your business, such as a local area code that your customers will recognize. After selecting the number, click on Proceed to Buy. This will move you into the checkout process. Follow the prompts to confirm your purchase details and complete payment, making sure your billing information in GoHighLevel is up to date. When the checkout is complete, your new phone number will automatically appear in the Manage Numbers section of the phone system. From there, you can configure things like call forwarding, tracking, and SMS settings, and start using your new mobile number